Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie. Today I'll be introducing you to some of the hydrangeas in my garden which have transitioned to shades of pink in early October. This is the hydrangea Early Blue. And here's a clip of the color earlier in the season. This is the Let's Dance Can Do. It is a rebloomer and you can see early October and new blooms are still coming. This is a Limelight Prime hydrangea, beautiful shade of pink. The Tough Stuff hydrangea, another low growing shrub, and the leaves transition to darker shades during the fall. This is the hydrangea Magical Revolution. This is a very long bloomer. It's been in bloom since late spring, and you can see the lovely shade of pink at the end of this season. Here is another Let's Dance Can Do. You can see fresh blooms, new blooms coming up, and old blooms that have faded. This hydrangea definitely can handle full sun. I'm not quite sure which variety of hydrangea this one is. The leaves are pretty huge and it gets a very hot pink early in the season, but even so at the end of the season, still a lighter shade of pink. This is a hydrangea Pinky Winky Standard that was acquired this season. I absolutely love the leaves in early fall. Beautiful hydrangea. Hydrangeas featured in the video today get afternoon sun, and I am in zone 5. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.